morning, dear students and parents. I, Miss Heenal Buradia, Primary Educator from Rejoice International School. I am a homeroom teacher for Grade 2. Welcome back to Virtual Learning. In last science session, we had learnt about living things and non-living things. We know that living things can eat, move, breathe and can do many things. Today we shall learn the 7 life processes of a living thing. Students, what are life processes? Life processes are nothing but basic functions performed by a living thing. So are you all ready to learn the 7 life processes of living thing? Let's start. Hello, Granny. Meet this cute grandmother. Her name is Mrs. GREN. She has a very weak memory and keeps forgetting her name. Don't worry, Granny. We will take care of you and also remember your name. So, students, what is her name? Yes, Mrs. GREN. So, students, each letter in Granny's name is very important and each letter has a meaning too. So, let's study each letter in detail. The first letter is M. It stands for movement. Let's understand what is movement. All living things move from place to place. Animals, birds move around in search of food and shelter. Plants move too. They turn towards the sunlight. The second letter is R. R stands for respiration. What is respiration? All living things respire, means we breathe. We inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. Third letter is S. S stands for sensitivity. Let's understand what is sensitivity. All living things are sensitive. Every living thing notices changes in the environment around them and reacts accordingly. For example, if I notice a dog who is badly hurt, I will feel bad and will try to help him or take him to a vet. Students, if you have noticed, we are through with the first part of Granny's name, that is Mrs., M, R and S, where M stands for movement, R stands for respiration and S stands for sensitivity. Now let's study the second part, that is GREN. Next letter is G. It stands for growth. From the word itself, we can understand that all living things grow. A baby animal grows to an adult animal. Seeds grow into plants. We humans also grow physically. Next letter is R. R stands for reproduction. Let's understand what is reproduction. Students, have you ever noticed a cow with its young one calf? A duck with its ducklings? Or a mother with her baby? Yes, all living things can reproduce. It means that they can have their young ones like themselves. The second last letter is E. E stands for excretion. Let's understand what is excretion. Excretion means to throw out waste from the body. We humans also eliminate waste every day from our body. For example, we urinate and pass stools. The last letter is N. N stands for nutrition. What is nutrition? All living things need nutrients. This means they need food to live. So students, this was all about Granny, Mrs. GREN. Let's ask Granny whether she remembers her name now. Granny, do you remember your name? Oh no, Granny says no. Don't worry, Granny, we will help you out this time too. Students, let's help our Granny. Granny, Granny, Your name is Mrs. GREN, where M stands for movement, R stands for respiration, S stands for sensitivity, G stands for growth, R stands for reproduction, E stands for excretion, N stands for nutrition. Students, it's time for you to answer the riddle. A skateboard and gas balloon moves. It shows movement, which is a life process of a living thing. Do you think they are living things? Yes or no? Think of an answer. We shall discuss it in a virtual class. Do not forget to watch the video. Kindly note the link mentioned here. So students, these were the 7 life processes of a living thing. We shall discuss the same in detail in our virtual class session. Thank you for your patience and attentively watching the video. This is Heenal Boradia signing off on behalf of Rejoice International School. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.